Hello students, welcome to class 4. So we have started with the test of divisibility. So we are going to see today divisibility by 3. So sit with your notebook and pencil so that you can write with me. Yes, and you can answer me also quickly. So sit with your notebook and pencil. So we have already learned a test of divisibility by 2. So we are going to have a quick revision what we learned in the last lecture. In that we have learned that divisibility by 2, any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 0, 8 is divisible by 2. That means we are going to see the multiples of 2. The number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called, they are called also even number. What are they called? They are called even numbers. All even numbers are divisible by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 0, 8 is divisible by 2. All numbers are divisible by 2. Now we are going to see the divisibility by 3. Now we are going to see what is the rule. In that also we are going to consider the multiples of 3. And what we are going to do? In that we are going to find if the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 3, the number is also divisible by 3. So what is divisibility by 3? You are going to write this with me. The sum of the digit. We are going to see the example also. First you are going to write what is the divisibility by 3. The sum of the digit should be divisible by 3 for the number to be divisible by 3. Now we are going to see what does this sum of the digit means. The sum of the digit means what? Now we are going to consider the multiples of 3. Now we know the multiples of 3, that is 3, multiples of 3 we are going to see the 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. Now if we take this 12, the sum of the 12, if the number is given 12, let us see the sum of the digit. In what? In 12. So I will write 1. I am going to do the sum of this given digit. So 12 is the number that is given to me. So 12. So I am going to do the sum. I am going to add this 1 plus 2. So what do I get? 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to what? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. See, 12 is the number and the sum of the digits in the 12. The sum of the digit, I have done the sum. That means sum means what? Total. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now consider the multiples of 3. So 3 is there. So that means the sum of the, if the sum of the digit of a number is divisible by 3, the number is also divisible by 3. So this is divisible by 3. Okay, now tell me whether 21 is divisible by 3 or not. Twenty-one. You are going to do the sum of the digit. First do the sum of the digit. Now what is the digit given? Now what will be the sum? Yes, waiting for your answer. What will be the sum of 21? The sum of the digit in 21. That means if the sum of the digits of a number. So we are going to do the sum. Sum means what? Total. We are going to add whatever digits are given. After doing that addition, whatever number we get, that should be divisible by 3. Yes, waiting for your answer. Yes, waiting for your answer. What will be the sum of 21? Yes, very good. I started getting the answer. Yes, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So it is divisible by 3. Yes, very good. Now I will give you another example. Now tell me, 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? Is 18 divisible by 3? Now we are going to find out the 18. Yes, odd number. Yes, very good. When we are going to see the divisibility by 2, that means all even numbers are divisible by 2. And 3, we have seen that it is an odd number. (18) is divisible by 3 or no? What will be the sum? First find the sum of the digit. The sum of the digit in 18. What will be the sum of 18? What will be the sum of the 18? Yes, very good. I started getting the answer. That is 1 plus 8 is how much? Yes, 9. So, so 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Yes, very good. That means it is divisible by 3. In the multiples of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Now we are going to see the larger number. Now we have seen 2-digit number. Now I will give one question again and you are going to answer me. Seven, 3, 2, 3. Waiting for your answer now. On the screen you can see one number 7323. Waiting for your answer. What will be the sum of the given number? Waiting for your answer. What will be the sum of a given number? Yes. First check the sum of the digit in 7323. The sum of the digits in 7323 is equal to how much? Yes, waiting for your answer. Yes, very good. I started getting answer. So what we are going to do? We are going to find out the sum. 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So the answer is 15. So 15, and it is divisible by 3 or not? Is it divisible by 3? Yes, very good. It is divisible by, is divisible 15, which is divisible by, which is divisible by 3. Yes, very good. Now second example we'll see. 8, 1, 5, 6. Yes, waiting for your answer now. 8, 1, 5, 6. Waiting for your answer. See, you are not going to check the last number of this given number. If you see the last digit, you are going to see the sum. You are going to see the sum. You are not going to see the last number. You are not going to see the ones place. If you see the ones place, then it is divisible by 2. But in the test by divisibility by 3, you are going to check the sum for 3. The rule is that you are going to do the sum of the digit. After getting the sum, then only you are going to see whether it is divisible by 3. We have to see the sum. What we are going to do? We are going to do the sum. After that only we can find out whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So what will be the sum for this number? 8, 1 plus 5 plus 6. We are not going to check the ones place. So what will be the sum? Yes, very good. The sum is 20. Is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 3? Yes, waiting for your answer. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, right. 20 is the answer. Now tell me where it is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, it is not divisible by 3. Very good. Not. You have to write this. Not divisible by 3. Now, one more example. Third example is this. 1, 3, 5, 3. 1, 3, 5, 3. One, 3, 5, 3. And one more bigger sum, we are going to take bigger number. 7, 3, 4, 5, 8. 7, 3, 4, 5, 8. So 1, 3, 5, 3, waiting for your answer. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 is how much? 12. Yes, very good. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, very good. It is divisible by 3. Now the second example I have given. Do the second example. 7, 3, 4, 5, 8. 7, 3, 4, 5, 8. Do the addition. 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Do the addition. You are going to do the sum of this given number. Is it divisible? Yes, very good. So we get the sum, that is 27, and it is divisible by 3. Yes, very good. Now we will see the test of divisibility by 5. Yes, now we learned 2, 3. Now we are going to see 5. Now in 5, the digit in the ones place should be 5 or 0. Now what is the divisibility by 5? The rule is what? Write this also. The digit in the ones place. Ones place should be 5 or 0 for the number to be divisible by 5. Now I'll give an example. You are going to tell me, you are going to check the ones place, and then you are going to tell me whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not. Now in this we are not going to do the sum. We are going to do the sum only when we are going to find out the divisibility by 3. But in 2 and 5 we are going to check the ones place. So example is 6, 4, 2, 5. Now what we are going to do? We are going to check the ones place. So waiting for your answer. Six, 4, 2, 5. Yes. So you are not going to do the sum. No addition, no sum. Yes, if you are not able to see, I will read the number for you. We are going to do the divisibility by 5. In that we are going to check the ones place. So the number, given number is 6425. 6425 is the number. No addition. We are not going to do the sum. You have started doing the sum. No sum. We are going to check the ones place. Only last ones place we are going to check. Ones place. Ones place should be 0 or 5. If you are doing the sum, then it is not, it is wrong. Yes. Is it divisible by 5 or not? What is given in the ones place? Yes, 5 is given in the ones place. Very good. So it is divisible by 5 or not? Yes, very good. You are not going to do the sum. In 2 and 5 you are going to check the ones place. Only in 3 you are going to do the sum. You are going to add the given number. But अगर 5 है और 2 है तो हमें ones place देखना है. तो 6425 ये नंबर है. उसका ones place में नंबर क्या दिया है? ones के place में 5 है. So it is divisible by 5. Yes, very good. So 5. Ones place it is given 5. So divisible by 5. Now second example. 2080. Second example. 2080. Waiting for your answer. Now what you are going to check in this? Find whether it is divisible by 5 or not. See my question. Find whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not. So when I am asking you only of 5, so you are going to see the ones place. Now what is given in the ones place? Yes, waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer. Yes, 0 is given in the ones place. So it is divisible by 5. Now I'll give questions and that you are going to solve and you are going to send this me on my number. So I'll give questions. You are going to state whether the number is divisible by 5. State whether number is divisible by 5. Yes. So first one is 75, then second is 39375, third one is 52170, fourth one is 58808, fifth sum is 7777, and then sixth one is 20105. So you are going to do this and you are going to send me. Yes. So we have learned today divisibility by 3 and 5. So 3 in we are going to do the sum, and in 5 we are going to see the ones place. Yes, and do whatever I have given you, do the worksheet also and send me on my number, and the sum also which I have given you on the right now on the screen you can see. Do this in the notebook and send me. So practice this whatever is given. Till then, goodbye. See you tomorrow.